On Saturday night, a Bangladeshi national was detained in the Sonamura Police Station area along with an Indian broker. They were apprehended in the Kamalnagar area under the jurisdiction of the Sonamura Police Station. Following a preliminary interrogation, the police produced the detainees before the court on Sunday. Acting on a confidential tip-off, Sonamura Police conducted a search operation on Saturday night in the Kamalnagar area. The operation resulted in the detention of a Bangladeshi national and an Indian broker. They were apprehended from the Kamalnagar area under the jurisdiction of Sonamura Police Station. Following a preliminary interrogation, the Sonamura Police produced them before the court on Sunday. The detained Bangladeshi national, identified as Moin Uddin from the Feni district of Bangladesh, had entered India illegally. The Indian broker has been identified as Anik Hossain, a resident of the Kamalnagar area. Police are currently investigating whether the Bangladeshi national has any involvement in terrorist activities. Meanwhile, local residents are raising concerns regarding the illegal entry of migrants into Tripura. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.